Well, my son comes next week, but I'm trying to get the pad all made out here for the sawmill. So hopefully I can get some of it assembled before he gets here. But yeah, this is what we got so far. I'm also going to have to get this tree that fell down a year ago or a couple years ago. I got to get that taken care of, and some other stuff bucked up and taken out of the way. But yeah, I think this would be a good foundation for getting the sawmill put up. At first, we're just going to put it on some 2x12s, and then we'll saw some 6x6s and lift it up and put them underneath there. Then we can bolt it down, and that should give it a pretty stable, look, Skipper's creeping up on the chickens. That should give it a pretty stable platform to work from. Looks like it's dust bath time. Well, it is already starting to sprinkle a little bit, and one of the goals we got to get done before we even start touching the sawmill is the chickens are at that stage where their poop is starting to stink really bad, so we want them to spend the majority of their time outside. So we need to build a little section underneath their coop where they can stay outside and we can get some fresh air. All right, so what we've got here is this is where we used to put Rocky the rooster when we were first introducing him to the girls. So we're gonna fence this back off, and that way the little chicks can stay underneath there in the daytime when it's raining, and when it's not raining they can stay outside in this little makeshift pen that we made for them. Is that good?
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Still gonna have a problem with how we're cutting those.
Okay. That thing is hard on the knees.
It is rock hard. Is we're going to do all this. The odds are we're never going to be able to use it.
There you go, that's it. That's going to be their little temporary coop outside if it starts to rain, and guess what? It's just about to start to rain, so we'll wait until it does start raining, and they should run inside that little dog kennel. we'll close it shut and then bring it in here and let them out. Well, I have to apologize to you guys. If for those of you that don't know, in March I had surgery for this thing called compartment syndrome, and all of a sudden when we were putting the chicken little thing up, man, my arm just started killing me. So basically I just went in, iced my arm. I didn't film the chickens going in there. And then yesterday we took the chickens back over to our friend's house because our son comes in today. So they're gonna watch the little baby chicks from here on out. So I have to go return the dog food bowl to them, and we'll go check in on the chicks. But my apologies, my arm started hurting, and that was it. I just kind of sat around and put ice on it, and hopefully, so that's the big thing, is trying to find what your limitations are now. You know, I know I can do things, but at some point in time, there's like a cutoff of when the doing things becomes too much. So anyways, let's go look at the chicks, make sure they're doing all right. All right, we are here. Let's go give Tola her bowl back and check on the little chicks. So
they had worms.
Yeah, they were doing
before
good.
They went to bed.
They're getting big though, aren't they?
Oh yeah, the biggest since the last time we saw them.
Yeah. That's probably perfect. What's the tip say?
Around like 70.
Oh, well that's good. That's perfect for them. Hello, little
Say hi!
All right, the little chicks are doing good. Tola was my sleeping buddy because we watched Tola for a little over a week, I think, and she's such a sweet dog. Another black lab. All right, let's go get the boat loaded up, and then in a couple hours we're gonna go pick up my son and his wife. It's a little windy today, but nothing the new boat can't handle. I mean, honestly, the little boat could have handled it too, but a little windy. But man, we are supposed to have some great weather the whole week that my son's here, so it should be either not raining or partly sunny when he's here, so we're really looking forward to it. I didn't even bring a life jacket. Neither one of us did. All right, so we've got a little bit of trash, some laundry, and just some other stuff that we're taking to town. But this is the first time we've done all this, and we're 20 knots blowing out there, so we're gonna give it a shot, see how Dinah does, see how successful we are. We figured we'd film it too, since it's our first time when it's a little windy. Got some kayakers out there.
I think there's a tour going on.
Yeah. All right, you ready to grab the...
I am.
She's gonna swing back around, so...
You're gonna swing back around?
No, it's gonna swing back around.
Boat?
Just calm down, Sugar, calm down.
Oh no! Shit, that did not work.
Oh, no, you got the
Hurry up, grab it, grab your side, baby. Grab it.
Okay. Well, that was a little more hectic than what we wanted it to be, but we got it done. Like everything, a little practice will make things go a lot better.
Let's go.
All right, look here. You saw us just go to town. Bada bing, bada bang.
Whoa.
Boom. We've got company.
Things happen around here.
They happen fast. All right, we're gonna get over to the cabin, then we'll give you a little brief on what's gonna go on in the next couple days. All right, so listen, we're gonna get all of our gear offloaded to the cabin. This is Saturday around 5 o'clock, so I'm gonna just start uploading this for tomorrow, and then the next video should come out would be us going to either Juneau or Rangoon, so we're super excited about that.
Ocean trip.
Oh, that's a nice trip along the Inside Passage should be good. All right, we'll see you next week. Remember, live free. Bye.